How's it going? It's Logan over here at Jeff Perry Buick GMC. I'm going to show you guys the difference between a 2025 Buick Enclave Avenir and a 2025 GMC Acadia Denali. So we're going to start in the front here. So as you can see with the two grills here, with the Denali you are going to get a little bit more chrome than you are with the Enclave. So with the Enclave here, it does kind of have a gloss black grill with chrome accents, whereas you see on the Denali it's just going to be a full out chrome grill. It does have a little bit of black gloss accent as well, so it's kind of flip flop there. And then another thing you notice right off the bat is the daytime running lights. But you'll see the difference in design for the Buick Enclave right there. And then when you go over to the Acadia Denali, it does kind of have that cupped right there, with the headlights are going to be right there, which on the Enclave, the headlights are going to be down there more. So those are the differences you see right away. Then we'll go to the sides here. So with the 25 Buick Enclave Avenir, you do get 22-inch pearl nickel rims. That is standard on the Enclaves. To where with the Denalis, these ones particular are 22-inch rims as well. Both are pearl nickel, but you do need the Denali Reserve package to be able to get the 22-inch rims on the Acadia. Standard is going to be 20 inches on those. So what we're going to do now, we're going to open up the vehicles, show you the interior, kind of show you the difference on the inside as well. So we'll start with the Buick Enclave. So as you can see right away, with this, you do get a 30-inch infotainment center screen in there. You do get your Avenir stitching on the headrest as well. You do get that floating concept center console, which is really nice. And then with the seats, you do get massage seats with the Buick Enclave Avenir. So Denali has a different sort of stitching on there, so you get more of that quilted look. I'm personally a fan of that. You do get your Denali stitching on the headrest as well. Then as you can see, the infotainment center screens are different. So this, you'll get a 15-inch diagonal infotainment center screen, as long as a 11-inch driver cluster screen as well. You do get power seats on these as well. The Denali does not come with massage seats, so that is a difference right there as well. And then we'll take a look into the back. So this is where it's going to look a little bit more similar. So you still get that Denali stitching in the back. You do get your two bucket seats, heated seats in the back, climate control access as well. We'll take a look at the Enclave here. So that's going to be a similarity. You do get your two bucket seats. You get the heated seats in the back. You do get your climate controls right there. You are going to have your Avenir stitching on the bucket seats as well. So that's going to be a similarity there. So let's move over to the back. So both vehicles actually do get the same dimensions in terms of cubic space in the back when the seats are down. I believe it is 97.5 cubic inches. And then with these ones, it does have the power seats as well, so you can power fold them back up. Same thing for the bucket seats, but you have to manually put those back up. We'll take a look at the Acadia Denali here. So same thing, you get the power seats, those fold in, bucket seats fold in as well. We have to manually put the bucket seats up. These ones you can power fold up as well. So I'm gonna go into the dimensions here. So with the Buick Enclave Avenir, it is 207.6 inches in length compared to the Acadia, which is 203.9 inches in length. With the height, you're going to get 70.98 inches for the Enclave, and then for the Acadia, it is going to be about the same, the 70.9 inches. Ground clearance, though, with the Enclave, you're going to get 7.3 inches compared to the Acadia, where you get 7.7 inches. So you do get a little bit more ground clearance in there as well. And then some more cosmetic stuff you'll see on the back here. So you do get that chrome on the back end right there compared to the Enclave, where you just get that little kind of strip of chrome. And of course, you can see the exhausts are different on this compared to the quad exhaust on the Acadia Denali. Both feature a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with a turbo. Both offer a 328 horsepower, 326 pounds of torque as well, so they are similar in that category. Both of them are going to have the automatic trunk closer as well. That you're going to have with the Buick Enclave over the GMC Acadia, you are going to have the acoustic glass and the noise cancellation with the Buick Enclave. You do get the noise cancellation with the Acadia, but with the Buick, you do get thicker glass as well, so it does tune out the noise a lot more. And another thing is the Buick Enclave Avenir comes standard with 16 Bose speaker systems inside, where the Acadia Denali comes with 12. But like I said, if you get the Denali Reserve package, you can get 16 as well. But standard is going to come with 12. And then another difference that you will get with the Enclave compared to the Acadia is with the Enclave, you cannot get Summit White for the Avenires, but you can get Summit White on the GMC Acadia Denali. That is another difference. I believe that kind of wraps everything up. Obviously, both vehicles are going to be real similar, both GM products. Probably going to have more similarities than differences. Both beautiful vehicles. In my opinion, I would probably go with the Buick Enclave over the Acadia. Which one would you pick?